Today, I'm giving away a free side hustle course to the first 50 people who respond to this video. This course will teach you how to make 7 figures and quit your 9-to-5 job in just 7 simple steps. Stay to the end to learn how to get this free course. So what's the best side hustle in the world that you can start today to quit your 9-to-5 job to make 7 figures a year? Is it Amazon FBA, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, forex trading, couch flipping, starting a local business? There are literally hundreds of side hustles, but I'm going to show you the very best one that has personally helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job within 9 months. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Craig with Upstride, and this is a brand new series I'm going to start on how to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, this is just the first video of a multi-video series that I'm going to be doing in order to show you how you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, I have personally helped over thousands of people start their journey of quitting their 9-to-5 job and achieving financial freedom. You need to understand that I've gone through tons of other business models to learn how this business works. Now, I've tried every side hustle that you can think of, and maybe some of you have gone through other side hustles as well. But I want you to understand this wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. There was a lot of scars. I lost a lot of money to even learn what this side hustle was. That changed my entire life. I want to introduce to you the best business model for any 9-to-5 worker that wants to quit their 9-to-5 job, and this is called digital marketing. Now, the best part about digital marketing is you don't need to make your own products to get started. You just need a couple hours a day each week. This is perfect for beginners and those who are retired because you don't need any skills to get started, and we guide you along the way step by step. You don't have to do any fulfillment, any shipping. You don't have to worry about having a support team. You don't even have to do support yourself. So you can do this while you're still working your regular 9-to-5 job. During this series, I'm going to show you how you could start a digital marketing business. Most importantly, I'm going to give you all the training, all the tools to be able to start a digital marketing business while you're still working a 9-to-5 job. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did to be able to quit my job in just 9 months. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the exact same framework that helped my students also quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Now, if you're excited to learn digital marketing, I want you to comment below, I want to quit my damn job. And in the next video, inside of the 7 steps to quit your 9-to-5 job series, I'm going to explain exactly how to get started. And then later on in the series, once I teach you the skills, I'm going to show you how you can clone an entire digital marketing business in just seconds. But before I show you that, you need to understand the skills. That way you can do this over and over and over again. And that way you can help your friends, and that way you can help your family quit their 9-to-5 jobs as well. So comment below, I want to quit my damn job. Like and share this video, check out my profile page, and give me a follow. Thank you and take care, my friends.